Shining without arrogance, showing all you can. Because I choose connection over pride, and the joy is very wide. Smile every day, and I found a way to spread the humbleness upon the earth. Without connection, you'd be alone. Whatever action you will do, never carry arrogance in your heart, even just a tiny part. Keep trying, cause it will bring you closer to victory. Experience teaches better than humans. Yeah, better than humans. Not every start is a good start, but not every ending is a bad ending. A gift in Qadar, Allahu Akbar. Whatever you have, be proud of it. Give chance to others, don't depend on someone. Give chance to your brothers and sisters. A world without arrogance, peace will spread around the ground. Shining without arrogance, showing all you can. Because I choose connection over pride, and the joy is very wide. This is the one for me, then I will still be happy for it and proud about it. What you have is special enough for your time in this dunya. Be content enough for whatever you have, because many people want to have. Shining without arrogance, showing all you can. Because I choose connection over pride, and the joy is very wide.